beef jerky, some caramel creams, some, I don't know what French burnt peanuts is, but I got that, and Boston baked beans. And then the thing that I really went for was this Gator connection. Alrighty, well, it's not the warmest day out today, but we're going to run to a hardware store. Need to get me a piece for a sump pump, so we'll see how that goes. Haven't really posted in a while. I got a bunch of stuff to do, but really just haven't felt up to doing it. So, like, I got a shorty antenna for this. I've got some stuff to start giving me a toolkit. Got to figure out what tools I want to put in the kit. Obviously tools for the Indian, but everybody else I know has Harley, so I think the kit's big enough to do both. It's just, do I want to have all that with me? I probably will. Shouldn't be too bad. Like, I got a tire patch kit, I got a tire pump, then the tool roll itself. I gotta put that together. I'll probably make a video on that once I gather everything up. And I gotta figure out the front camera. It always seems like I'm not, maybe because I keep my head down. But it looks like it's just looking down at the dash and can't really see much ahead of me. So maybe I'll just try to keep my head up. This video, these gloves are probably not for the chilly weather, right? And I got my other gloves I'll probably put on when on the way back. But you can feel the air through these Indy Ridge gloves. I still like them, but they're definitely for more of the warmer weather, for sure. Looks like it might even rain. I didn't think it was going to rain today. Guess it is what it is. Get on the old freeway. Yeah, Ohio's trying to get warm again. Looks like every time it's supposed to maybe get warm, it's going to rain. I mean, I guess it's that time of year, spring. Well, probably not appropriately dressed for the weather today, and we'll see if we can figure that out. It's 50. I guess my shoes are about the only thing that's a little concerning. Got riding boots, I just don't ever put them on. You know what I do put on? These damn Skechers that are they're like mesh, so all the air gets through it. So that's always nice. I don't know why I do that. The problem on my camera, where I think it's always facing down towards the dash and not more up front, is I'm using the Ruroc mount, so I don't know if it's just not tall enough. And I've lost my battery pack, so that's nice. If I can get that back in or not. If I think it's that, I don't know what I'm going to do. So hopefully I don't run out of battery. I'm almost where I need to be, but I don't know what this thing had on it in battery to begin with. Ah, there we go. Gonna pass all these people that may want to get over. I think my power cord to that is a little short. So when I look left and right, I think it unplugged it. So I'll have to figure that out. This road is the worst thing ever. It's like, well, the way they have this, and hopefully they're going to fix it. This lane, you can't go straight even though it's 2 lanes right into where I'm kind of wanting to go. It's like a turn-only lane. Hopefully they're trying to fix it to make it go straight. It does eventually go into 1 lane, but where this Menards is at, you could go straight. Go back to channels. That stuff is horrible. Country music today isn't very good. Well, just today, I guess. On the old Sirius XM country channel I'd listen to. It's not very good. I think I'm going to, on these Ruroc helmets, the matte black is just gets really dirty, so I think I'm going to swap headliners, I think, and wear the 3.0 helmet, because it's got a gloss finish to it, and it doesn't just look like it gets as dirty. Anyway, I'm not going to buy another helmet unless I come up with some extra cash, and then I think I'd get maybe the Ghost or something white, something a little bit more high vis than black. They do have like a neon green helmet, but I don't think I can roll that. See this lane over here, how it's just like a turn only? If they would just take the turn only and put it straight also, this would save all this traffic in this lane. I mean, I understand I don't know what they're trying to do. And it goes right up into Menards. But no, they've just got it down to one lane. Just makes this traffic 10 times worse than what it needs to be. Ridiculous. And then you got people just trying to get in down here. You know, I mean, I get it. Look, right there, see? And all they would have to do is let this lane here go straight. Because I just got to get up and get over it right anyway. I guess I can keep complaining about it. It's not really doing any good. But it just doesn't make sense. Alright, well, I'm going to go in and get my stuff. And I will be back. Alright, well, I am done. That was a quick little thing. Let's see if I can show you what I got. Beef jerky. Some caramel creams, some, I don't know what French burnt peanuts is, but I got that, and Boston baked beans, and then the thing that I really went for was this Gator connector. So, yeah, go for one thing and come out with 12. But, oh well, what are you going to do? Get this out of first gear and start it up. Back home I go. After, I got the chin buckled up, I got everything charging, everything's recording. Oh my God, did people just drive through the damn parking lot? Jesus. He didn't even care if anybody was coming down through there. Jesus. I don't think I'm going to freeway back. I think I'll take the longer route back home. Yeah, see, that road just is 2 lanes up till it gets up the road here. So yeah, it's 2 lanes up until here. So they could make that back there. Not a turn-only lane. See if we can pull up the old. Well, that's interesting. How do you get this to be different? Plus, it's just not working. These gloves here, when it gets cold, it doesn't like to work. Yeah, what is up with that, I wonder? I like to look at the ways so you can see if there's traffic, but you can't change the direction on this thing. So I don't know what's up with that. I don't think I've ever seen that do that to me. Kind of not like, it's like it's lost. It doesn't know where I'm at because I'm not on 762. Guarantee you that. Here, let's pull off of, see if I can get this to work better. It's like it didn't, yeah, I don't get this. Yeah. This has not a clue where I'm at. Yeah, I'm not even anywhere near 104. Yeah, this does not have a clue where I'm at. Got 5G on my phone, so I don't know what's going on with that. Well, that's interesting. Indian may have to work on their CarPlay, something, because that absolutely is not even close to where I'm at. I don't think it's always worked. So that is weird that Waze on here doesn't work. Does anybody have the Ride Command and have issues with Apple CarPlay on it? This is the first time I've had issue with it. Maybe get gas here. What's going on with this thing? Get gas and maybe start all over with it. It's kind of weird. Come on. I don't have to turn it off, do I? Oh my gosh. There it went. I don't know if I had to turn that off or what. Fuel cap open. Hey. Chill out on the splasage. I forget what size tank this thing has. Maybe 4 or 5 gallon tank. I'll put it up on the screen. I'll figure that out. And well, it's over 4 gallon because I wasn't even close to empty. So 4 gallons of gas cost me $17. Thanks, buddy. I appreciate it. Making me spend a bunch more money. So it's wonderful. Well, there it went. I didn't even turn the bike off, like the power, so I don't know. Full tank of gas and back on the road. So it's $3.77 on this side of town, all right? So we'll see what it is closer to the house, which is not very far from here. Roundabout? Oh, I'm not going that way. It's telling me go to clear up the Dimmers Road, but I'm going to turn here coming up, so I ain't going up to Dimmers Road. So yeah, I don't know what happened to the whole Waze thing, but now it's working. We're going to stop that. I don't need directions on how to get to the house. I just like to look at the map because it will tell you if there are things in the road, cops and whatever. Everybody knows what Waze is. Great Dane puppies. Somebody in my neighborhood had a white one that they took in because somebody was moving. Boy, was it a nice dog, looking dog. It ended up having cancer, I think. So that's sad. Because it is, I haven't seen it in the house that it's been at. They got another dog. So they probably had to put it down. But that white Great Dane, beautiful dog. Probably shit like a horse, but hey, what are you gonna do? Yep, we all crawl out when it gets above 45 around here, I think. But at least it didn't rain on me. I went by a couple schools this week and nobody's there. I wonder if it's spring break. My kids have been graduated for a minute and I don't have to keep track of that stuff. I think I passed 3 schools on the way to work. And I don't think any cars in their parking lot. So it must be spring break. Wonder where that's going to be. Ohio Health. Out place we just passed was a racetrack, and they was debating whether to make it a big community park or a housing complex. They chose the latter, which sucks. They should have just made it into a big community park. Just a waste of space. Let's see if we can tell what the gas is over here. It's $3.77 where I got it. $3.89. Just drive a couple miles and save you, what, 12 cents? Alrighty, well, I'm about back home again. So, alright, well, I'm going to let you guys go. I'm home. I probably didn't talk for shit, but whatever. I'll talk at you later.